Hello everyone, welcome back to Han's Kitchen. Today I'm going to introduce to you a Vietnamese dish, fried spring rolls. It is crispy, delicious and easy to make. And here's the basic recipe to make Vietnamese crispy spring rolls. Firstly, I will start the recipe by preparing some veggies. I shred a carrot, some small parts which are difficult to shred. I will keep it aside and use the cutter later. After that, I shred the kohlrabi. I use the cutter to cut onion. And this is the small carrot which were hard to shred. I use the cutter to cut it into small pieces. Now I will prepare the mushroom. This dry mushroom I brought from Vietnam. I soaked them in warm water for a few hours. Now I will chop it. You can skip this or replace it by other kinds of mushrooms. Now I will use a piece of cloth to remove the water from carrot and kohlrabi. By doing this, the spring rolls will be crispy for a longer time. And let's prepare the filling mixture. I use a large bowl with 500 gram ground chicken. Normally I use ground pork, but today I will use chicken instead. Other alternatives can be beef, shrimp, or combine any of them. I will soak some noodle in warm water. You should go with glass noodle. However, it is a bit difficult for me to look for glass noodle in the city I'm living. Anyway, this instant noodle is a good alternative. I will keep this aside while we mixing other ingredients. I add inside carrot, kohlrabi, onion, mushroom, season it with 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 egg. Mix all together. And now the noodle is soft enough. I will add it into the mixture and mix until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. I will start wrapping the spring rolls. There are many kinds of spring roll wrappers in the market nowadays. Today I will use this wrapper. I soak the wrapper into water quickly. Add 1 spoon of the filling mixture. Fold the sides of the wrapper over the filling and then roll it up. Make sure the edges of the wrappers are sealed. If you are not familiar with it and want your rolls to have the same length, you can fold 2 sides of the wrapper first before filling with the mixture, like the way I'm doing. I will separate 2 layers by using plastic foil. By this way, it avoids the spring rolls sticking together. Repeat until finishing all the filling mixture. I have done with wrapping. Now I will use a pot filled with cooking oil. I use chopsticks to check the temperature of the oil. I can see there are bubbles around the chopsticks. That means the oil is heated. I carefully place the spring rolls in the hot oil one by one. I keep it under medium heat so that it takes enough time for the filling to be well cooked. And I flip the rolls frequently. After a few minutes, the spring rolls turn into brown yellow and crispy. I take the spring rolls out of the oil. Place them on a dish covered with tissue paper to remove the extra oil. Continue frying the remaining. While frying the rolls, I'll prepare my favorite spicy sweet fish sauce. I use 4 spoons of fish sauce, 4 spoons of sugar, stir until the sugar is dissolved. I add some minced chili and garlic inside the sauce. Mix them together. And here's my dipping sauce. You can use mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet sauce, or any kind you would like. And my spring rolls and dipping sauce are ready. This is the way I eat spring rolls. I wrap it in a lettuce leaf and dip it in the sauce. It is so crispy and flavorful. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and subscribe my channel for more cooking recipes. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.